Food Safety and Hygiene Matters, Training Presentation for Workers in the Food Industry. Introduction. Current statistics identify increasing numbers of reported food poisoning cases in Australia. A large majority of these cases stem from incorrect food handling and hygiene practices within the food industry. Every person working in the food industry has a responsibility to prepare food that is safe and suitable to eat. This training presentation will assist you with this responsibility. Program objectives: assist food businesses achieve the requirements of the food safety standards. Provide food handlers with the necessary skills and knowledge of food safety and hygiene matters relevant to their work activities. Raise the level of compliance with food legislation throughout the food industry. Program outline: food legislation, environmental health officers, food poisoning statistics, food hazards, bacterial food poisoning, potentially hazardous foods, causes of food poisoning, prevention of food poisoning, food handling controls. Conclusion. Assessment. Food legislation. Food Act 2006. Ensure that food for sale is safe and suitable for human consumption to prevent misleading conduct relating to the sale of food, and to apply the Australian-New Zealand Food Safety Standards Code. Refer www.legislationqld.gov. Food Safety Standards, Chapter 3 of the Australian-New Zealand Food Standards Code, specific requirements for food businesses, handlers, premises and equipment to ensure that only safe and suitable food is sold in Australia. Refer www.foodstandards.gov. What is an Environmental Health Officer, EHO? An EHO is a professional person authorized to conduct inspections of food premises to ensure compliance with food legislation. EHOs have backgrounds in food safety, health promotion and law enforcement. An EHO also assesses food business license applications, investigates food-related complaints, enforces food legislation, consults with food business operators, provides training for food handlers. Who has had food poisoning? Current food poisoning statistics in Australia. It is estimated there are 11,345 food poisoning cases per day, 4.1 million cases per year, 31,920 hospital admissions per year, 86 deaths per year, $1.2 billion per year in associated costs. 60 to 80% of all reported cases come from commercial food premises. It is also estimated that between 500,000 and 1 million cases of food poisoning occur in Queensland per year. Hazards that can contaminate food. Food can be contaminated by the following three main hazard types: physical hazards, foreign objects, metal, wood, glass, plastic, etc. Chemical hazards, bleach, caustic soda, detergents, pesticides, etc. Microbiological, bacteria, viruses, molds and parasites. Food that is contaminated with any of these hazards is unsafe and unsuitable to eat. Causes of food poisoning. Cross-contamination. Cross-contamination occurs when food becomes contaminated with bacteria from another source. Bacteria can be transported by hands, utensils, surfaces, equipment, tea towels, raw food and pests. Common examples of cross-contamination include unclean hands, dirty knives, utensils, equipment and food contact surfaces, egg chopping boards, blood dripping from raw foods, storing raw food with cooked foods, storing food uncovered, and using dirty cleaning cloths and tea towels. Thank you.